these are the 3 steps for couples to use to choose legal guardians for their minor children in an hour or less. I'm Taylor Kaspar. I'm an estate planning attorney, and I help parents make sure that if something were to happen to them, their children would still be taken care of with comprehensive estate planning. So these are the 3 steps couples can use to make sure that they're able to choose legal guardians for their minor children in an hour or less. Step number 1, each party and the couple is going to make a list of all of their family, friends, relatives, acquaintances, whatever, that they know and would consider being guardians of their minor children, who have met their children, know their children, and are possibilities in the running for guardianship if both the parents were deceased and we had to make a choice. Okay, so step 1 is make a list. Each party in the couple is going to do this independently of each other. And then once you've each made a list of everybody that you can think of who might be a viable choice for guardian, you're going to compare the lists. Okay. And then you're going to find 5 people. Hopefully you can find 5 if you've picked from everybody that the 2 of you know. Hopefully you can find 5 people on the list that match, that both parties and the couple consider to be possibilities for people who might be appropriate and well suited to be guardians of your minor children. Step number 2, each party in the couple is going to make a list of all of the values that they would like to see their children raised with. These can be religious values, values for being good stewards of money, the value of education, the value of sports, health, fitness, extracurriculars, whatever. You're each separately and independently going to make a list of all of the values that you think that you want to have your children be raised with. Then after you've each made your list, you're going to get back together and compare, and you're going to find 5 major values that match up one to the other. And those are going to be your key values that you're going to want to make sure that your potential guardians embody, so that your children are being raised with those values if something were to happen to you. Step number 3, now that you have your 5 potential guardians and your 5 values, what you're going to do is you're going to match those values to the list of guardians that you've chosen. Okay, so you've got your list of guardians and you're going to be like, these are my 5 values. Guardian number 1 has 3 of these values, and 2 of the values they would promote even though they're not something that we know that these people are actively doing or whatever. But you're going to use the values to create a priority or a ranking system of the guardians to determine a 1 through 3 order of who you think would be the best suited based on the values that you've chosen as the most important to you to be potential guardians for your minor children. So those are the 3 steps that you can use to choose guardians if you're in a coupledom, a pair. Those are the 3 steps that you can use to get in alignment to choose legal guardians for your minor children that are going to work for both of you. So after you like this video and subscribe to this channel, if you would like to see more videos like this or get more information about choosing legal guardians, or if you want to learn from me how you can name legal guardians for your minor children at no charge, then follow the link in the comments to request a 15-minute phone call with me so I can get you set up with legal guardians for your kids right away.